Mano a mano, fisherman vs fisherman. Two men enter, only one man leaves. It's a type of battle that has spurred on civilization since the dawn of time. In French, it's called a bataille. In Mandarin, it's called a kumite. At action fishing tournaments, we're calling it face-off. As Sydney heats up, so does action fishing tournaments. We are proud to present the most exciting tournament format in the fishing world, putting your angling skills up against one other angler. Same arena, same conditions, no excuses. Just one man earns a right to move on to the next round. Join us in the most exciting series of 2023 and see if you can be called the Face-Off Champion.